In the heart of Orkney's Northern Isles, a wild and windswept welcome awaits. We've found a place with stories in its stone, and we're making it our home. We're chasing a dream from Indonesia to Orkney. Join us for wild island adventures and the soulful rhythm of life from sky, sea, and stone.
Join us this episode as we explore a little bit of mainland Orkney. So we're going to start in Kirkwall, look at a couple of streets there. We're then going to go to the cathedral. From there we're going to go to a couple of Standing Stones and Skara Brae. And that's all on the way to Stromness, where we're going to explore the old streets of Stromness. Join us.
Fishing boats in morning light, harbour winds both soft and bright, seagulls wheel and salt air sings, the tide still hums of older things. Cobblestones and cafes steam, locals lost in gentle schemes, shops awake with sleepy grace. Time moves slow in this small place. Magnus stands in golden hue, stone and silent, sky and blue. A quiet heart, a watchful eye, where past and present softly lie.
Stenness stands in morning mist, silent guards the ages kissed. Circle wide where spirits stay, stone remembers yesterday. Brodgar's ring beneath the sky, time turns slow as clouds drift by. Footsteps fade but stories stay in the wind of Skara Brae. Echoes live where stones remain. Orkney sings through sun and rain. Sun and rain.
Stromness stands where stories sleep, harbour deep and houses steep. Smugglers, sailors, traders, bold footsteps echo tales untold. John Ray walked these cobbled ways, dreaming ice and northern days. Mapped the cold where few would go, from Orkney shore to Arctic snow. Khyber Pass and Hellhole Lane, names that laugh and still remain. Streets like riddles worn and wise beneath the ever-changing skies. The ferry hums, the sea runs wide, Scotland waits on the other side. The old man stands in wind and spray, a final wave to end the day. Stromness fades but stays with me, a town of stone, a song, a sea.